Hey everyone, Chris here, and I am going to share with you the 4 chords out of one shape, falseta, for Soleá, okay? So I'm going to play it for you right now, and this is a beginner falseta, something super easy that it works your both hands and working the compás. It's 2 compás long, meaning that it lasts 2 passes of 12 beats in Soleá. So I have this metronome set at 63, and we're going to start it right now. 10, 11, 12, and... That's 2 compasses long, okay? So that's what we're going to do. For those of you who are absolute beginners, I think this will be a great place for you to continue your Soleá education. For those of you that are beyond this falseta, hey, thanks for stopping by. I super appreciate it, and we're going to go into this now. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you for another lesson. But for the beginners, here we go. For the beginners, first, hopefully you've watched the beginner Soleá Compás. You have those, you put a little bit of work into it. With that, you already know this chord, an E major chord, a full E major chord, putting your 2 middle fingers on the 2nd fret of the 5th and the 4th string, your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. I want to remind you to get your palm away, get those arches, so that way you can hear all 6 strings, okay? 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, okay? What's nice is with this shape, we get 4 chords. If we move it up 1 fret, everything stays the same. We move it up 1 fret, we get this F over C, and it's like an F major 7 and maybe a sharp 11 over C, okay? For all of my YouTube flamenco family, you get a full lesson plan, so please consider joining my YouTube flamenco family, and all the gobbledygook of chords are listed below, okay, or listed in that. But the link, that's what I was meant to say, the link for that is below. If we take this shape up 2 more frets, you have a G6, I believe, over D, okay, because we start on the 5th string. Okay, so the E is all 6 strings, the F is from the 5th string, the G is from the 5th string. Now, let's take it back to E again. We're going to hop down towards the floor, 1 string each, same shape, otherwise it wouldn't be called 4 chords for 1 shape, right? So now the 2nd finger on the 4th string, 3rd finger on the 3rd string, 1st finger is now on the 2nd string. This is a 5-string chord. We start from the 5th string, and it's going to be 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. It's the A minor chord, La menor. And not the saddest chord of all chords, but it's right up there. Okay. So there you go. Now you have all the fret hand work that you need to do, and we're just going to be using our thumb. And so we're going to go through this falseta. A falseta is a musical interlude. It does not delineate length of a falseta. Like a falseta doesn't delineate length. So it could be 1 compás, it could be 18 compasses long, okay? I don't know if compás is a word. Compases is a word, like plural like that, or if we just say compás. But in Spanish, we just say, you know, even if it's plural. But anyway, we're going to start, okay? This is all 8th notes. So you're going to hit the 5th string twice. You're going to hit the 4th string twice. And then the 3rd string once and the 2nd string once. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. Excuse me, we have a jet going over. I never hear a jet around here. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go back to the E, and you're going to play all 6 strings. 4, 5, 6. That's 6 beats. That's half a compás. We're going to do the exact same thing again. 1, or this is going to be 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. So those are all 8 eighth notes. Then we're going to go to the A minor. You're going to start on the 4th string though. You start on the 4th string. You're going to play the 4th string twice. You're going to play the 3rd string twice. The open second, or the 2nd string, and then the open 1st string. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 0. You're going to move the shape to the G, the 5th fret, 5, 5, 4, and we're going to go 5th string twice, 4th string twice, and then the 3rd and 2nd string. Those are the same 2 notes, okay? Then you're going to go back to the F. You can play the 5th string twice, 4th string twice, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then we're going to play the E, all 6 strings. And that's the second compás. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there you have the whole second compás. So now let's play it together with this metronome at 63. I'll count out loud, and now hopefully you know it. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, and... G, F, all 6 strings on the E. There we go, we got through it. That's the entire 2 compás falseta. You've done it, okay? Now, your job, your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to watch that other video, get all those compás, the 3 variations, and then be able to mix this falseta in with those variations. Go 1, falseta, rhythm, falseta, rhythm, yeah? And mix and match, and make sure you can do all of those while counting out loud, okay? It's super important for you to be able to internalize that rhythm. I would recommend too that you record yourself, that you have, because especially if you don't have somebody watching you, and you could skip beats and it can get crazy for you, okay? So you can spend a lot of time practicing something wrong, and I don't want you to do that, okay? So go slow, take this slow. It might seem simple, but simple is not easy, yeah? Take it slow and steady. Let me know if you have any questions. There's a comment section below. I'm also leaving a contact link below. You can do that. And if you're still here and want to further your flamenco guitar studies, I have an entire flamenco guitar technique program that is free for you. It's like 18 pages long, and you can pick it up. The link is below. And so go and grab that and enjoy that. It has what I call the daily dozen. It's my daily dozen of essential flamenco guitar techniques, and this will get you through a great little practice routine that you can work on developing your technique on a daily basis, okay? And not skipping anything that, you know, that's like, oh, you won't have any holes in your game, okay? In your flamenco guitar game. Okay, thank you all so much. Thanks for tuning in. I super appreciate you. I hope you've had a great time. Please like and subscribe and do all that stuff, and let me know what questions you have. Have a great day. Get to practicing. Get to work. Bye-bye.